Hey word explorers, ready to unlock another super-powered word? Let's jump into today's adventure on Word Up with Sofia. Today's word is representation. Say it with me, representation. You sound amazing already. Let's spell it together. R-E-P-R-E-S-E-N-T-A-T-I-O-N. That spells representation. Give yourself a high five. Representation means showing or standing for something. It could be a picture, a symbol, or even a person speaking for a group. Here are some buddy words that mean the same as representation. Portrayal, depiction, illustration, symbol, expression, display, interpretation. Each one is like a new paint color on your vocabulary palette. Here are the opposite words, the ones representation doesn't hang out with. Misrepresentation, disguise, concealment, distortion, omission, falsification. These are the words that mean the truth is being hidden or changed. Here's an example. Sofia created a drawing as a representation of her favorite memory. Let's review. Representation means showing or standing for something. Synonyms: portrayal, depiction, illustration, symbol, expression, display, interpretation. Antonyms: misrepresentation, disguise, concealment, distortion, omission, falsification. Representation is how your ideas, feelings, and stories come alive, and you have so much worth sharing with the world. Draw, act, or explain something today that is a representation of something you love, and teach someone the word while you do it. Every time you share your ideas through words, art, or action, you're giving the world a piece of your heart, and that's powerful. Alright, word explorers, go make your mark today. I'll see you tomorrow with another awesome word to power up your brain.